welcome. As beginners, we need to understand intervals. An interval is the pitch difference between two notes, or the distance between any two pitches. So on the guitar, an interval can be calculated, or an interval can be described as the distance from the root note or from the starting point or from the starting note. For instance, if we go to C, here's the root note of C. So if this is a root note here, let's go on thirds, right? 1, 2, 3. Here's our root note, here's our third. So this same applies to string 1 and 2. So here's thirds. So 1, 2, 3. That's how you build thirds. In fourth, same, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here's our root note. So it's 1. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our root note. Here's our fourth. Only using fourths. Fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ones lead men like these ones. Even bassists, they like this one. Power chords. This one I like it also. There's no fifth here. Let's just put fifth now. So you can just fit them where you feel like, can I put a third here? Can I put a fourth here? Can I put a fifth here? So counting is very important. Once you can count, first you create your symbol line. Then you start to, since this will be the root note, you find the relevant key of what you are looking for. If it's a third, fourth, fifth. So it's really helpful, when you're creating your melodies in music. Okay, so eighths, right? Bassmen or bass ladies, bass guitarists, they can like this one. Unless if you're a rock guy, you like to play those. I think not really rock, but I would say they are building blocks of backwards. But on the lead man, right, we're still on 8th. If you're playing it on from 4th string or from 3rd string, they're really helpful on lead octaves. Let's count, right? Let's start on string 4, string number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Here's our root note. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we start on string number 3,